Mr. Berry, go back in the breakout room and explain things a little better for him. You can raise your hands all you want to, sir. I can put you in the end of the line and let you calm down.
I apologize.
Pardon me?
I apologize.
I'll let you calm down. I'm trying to make sure you understand what's going on.
Yes, I do, sir.
No, you don't. Are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gale. Mr. Gale, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will enter a plea as charged.
Brandishing a firearm?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's brandishing a firearm here. It's discharging a firearm on the actual ticket. Want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
What's no deal? With Mr. Bowman, is this a 12-month delay?
Yes, Your Honor. People have no objection to pleading as charged, 12-month delay.
So 12-month delay, the fine is going to be $500. And you want to take this, you want to plead guilty, right?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
I'm still in the meeting.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Everybody mute themselves. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Oh, I took a plea deal, sir.
I didn't ask you that. I asked you, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty is $500 in fines and or 90 days in jail?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he do. And I told him I wanted to take a plea.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't. I told I wanted to take a plea. No trial.
Do you understand by giving up those rights, do you understand by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
No, I don't.
So you don't understand those rights that Mr. Berry went over with you, that by taking this deal, you give those rights up? Mr. Berry, go back in the breakout room and explain things a little better for him. You can raise your hands all you want to, sir. I can put you in the end of the line and let you calm down.
I apologize.
Pardon me?
I apologize.
I'll let you calm down. I'm trying to make sure you understand what's going on.
Yes, I do, sir.
No, you don't. Go back in the breakout room and speak with him, please.
Yes,
Make sure he understands these rights and what's going on, because he obviously doesn't understand by the way he's answering the question. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gale. Mr. Gale, are you there now?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
What I'm going to do now, I'm going to amend that offer. I'm going to, along with taking that firearms course, I want Mr. Gale to take an anger management course as well. He's displayed by flailing of his arms. I'm asking him questions that I need to make sure that he understands his rights and he knows his rights are protected. He keeps on constantly. I know what he's getting at. He wants to get it over with. But I think your attitude, based on the nature of the charges and everything, I think you need to take an anger management course. So if he doesn't want to take that deal, anger management course, $500 fine, and a gun safety course, he has an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. Go over those rights again with him, Mr. Berry. And if he doesn't want to take the deal, we'll set the matter for trial. All right?
Yes,
join the room, please. All right. Ms. Harris, are we ready? Let's go back on the record with Gale. This is giving you an opportunity again to speak to counsel. Now, do you understand what's going on, sir?
Yes, sir. The picture's clear now, sir.
All right.
And I
So
apologize for puffing up. It's just I'm ready to have everything resolved. That's all.
no, that's why we're going to get you an anger management class, because the puffing up. You see what I'm saying? You're puffing up to the wrong one, and I'm thinking
No, sir, I apologize to you.
There you go, talking again. You see what I'm saying? That might be why the allegation is what it is, and they say you did what you did. So, do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do. I understand.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this deal, you're going to give up those trial rights?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any questions about it?
How many classes do I have to take for you?
You have to take an anger management class and a gun safety class.
Okay, where would I do the gun safety?
Listen, see, you want to do things on your way. And this is not how it works.
Okay.
Answer the questions that I'm asking you. Don't ask me any questions. I'm going to give you an opportunity to, if you don't understand something, to tell me what you don't understand when I'm done.
Okay.
Do you understand that by taking this deal, you're going to give up your rights?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we will do today?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 16th, 2024 at around 10:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of State Fair and Cordell. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yeah, that's my home address, State Fair.
Okay. Okay. What did you do over there?
Okay, well, that night I came outside. My car door was wide open. My back fence was wide open, and I brandished a firearm.
And you brandished a firearm. You did more than just brandish.
Well, yeah, discharge. Yes, sir.
And you discharged the firearm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you have the ROA is wrong, Mr. Berry. The ticket, I have the actual ticket here. It says discharging the firearm. You satisfied with that?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And where did you, in what direction did you discharge this firearm?
In the air.
So, you being mad about your property being vandalized or whatever they did to your property, stealing your stuff, you shooting this gun in the air, the bullet's got to come down somewhere, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't think about that before you were trying to protect your property, right?
No, sir.
So that's why, first of all, I want you to take the gun safety course, because
No
I
problem.
understand people are fed up with their property getting taken, but shooting a gun in the air is not something that we need to be adding on to all of that stuff to get it to stop. That's why you call the police.
I agree.
All right, and then you understand why anger management is required too. So I'm gonna refer this matter to probation. I'm gonna find him guilty as charged to discharging the firearm within the city limits. I'm gonna fine him $500 for that, and I'm gonna order him to do gun safety and anger management. I'm gonna refer this matter to probation so they can facilitate that. I'm gonna give you a month to do the 2 courses. It's gonna be taken under delayed sentence, and it's gonna be a 12-month delay, meaning if you do not get in any more trouble like this again by shooting a firearm in the city limits, then in 12 months, you pay the $500 and you do the 2 classes, we'll dismiss the case in 12 months. Let me get a 12-month date. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So first, I'm going to give you 2 review dates. I'm going to give you a month to take care of the classes.
Okay.
That's going to be February 14th, 2025 at 8:25 for classes.
Okay.
Another review date, and typically on these, on dumping, on illegal dumping, and on firearm discharges, I make them pay within a month. But I do understand that you're frustrated and fed up with people stealing your property. For that reason, I'm gonna give you the course of a year to be able to pay this. So that's gonna be January the 15th, 2026. So you're gonna have 2 dates to come back on. February 14th, 2024 for the classes, and then January 15th, 2026, and make sure it's paid off by then, and then we'll dismiss the case if everything is done. I need a good phone number from you, please.
And I have one question for you, sir.
285.
Yes, sir.
All right, now I'll say this one last thing before I answer your question. I hope that you can come back in this next month and you get something out of both of these classes. I hope that that's the case, and I hope that you will share what you got out of the classes. What is your question?
Okay, can I pay you Friday?
You can, absolutely. Absolutely. All right, pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. I'm gonna refer the matter to probation only for them to help you facilitate where to get the classes taken. And if they don't call you, they should call you. You shouldn't have to call them. If they don't call you within a couple of weeks and you see it by, you know how to get back in touch with the court. I'm gonna give you the number to probation as well. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
If you don't have anything further, Mr. Gale, then best of luck to you. I'll see you back next month.
Okay, sir, I have one more question for you and I'll be gone.
What is that?
Now, arraignment, I thought the charge was lessened to brandishing. That's all. That's all I have to say.
No, it's gonna be dismissed if the city brandishing, discharging, whatever the case may be. They're both the same punishable misdemeanors. And if you follow all of the rules and do what you need to do, the case will be dismissed anyway.
Okay, do I need to bring the receipt to the court, or did I pay?
I knew it wasn't just one more question too. You know, I knew that. Everybody says that. No, I'll be able to see it if you pay it at the DivDat kiosk, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'll be able to see it that you paid it. And I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. You got anything else, Mr. Gale?
That's it.
All right. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you and have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too.
Thank you.